Hey there guys, today we're back reviewing a brand new device that was just released by SMY. It's a new temperature controlled device. This has been sent to me for the purpose of review, sent to me by SMY themselves directly. And I gotta say I've been looking forward for this device for quite some time really. Since SMY has incorporated all the new settings and new hardware within this device. So without further ado, let's start by looking at the packaging. All you get is the package, which is in black, and on one side it just says the SMY 60. Inside the package you get the device, and if you open up this little flap, we get the famous quality control card. We get the manual. I of course have been using this device for the last couple of hours. This is going to be a quick review of the device, not a full detailed one. This, I gotta say, is a very informative user manual. You get an SMY branded cleaning cloth and the USB charger. Let's take a look at the star of the show, which is the SMY itself. Okay, so as you can see, the back is all carbon fiber, stainless steel, brushed stainless steel finish with quite big clicky buttons. The device of course doesn't come powered up, as I've said, as I've been using this device for the last couple of hours. But that's the screen. On the other side there's nothing. Down there you get the USB charging port, and that's, I believe, a 1.5 amps charging board which charges your battery much faster, with two openings, one for the red and one for the green light, and some venting holes. Now, if we open up the back of the device, as you can see, it's magnetic back door, and they have done quite a nice thing here with magnetic back doors. What you get always is this kind of rattle, but what they've done is this notch over here, and that actually prevents it from moving. Good job. Comes with one 18650 battery, that's mine, an LG H2. Clean, very clean. Now, onto the feature. The positive goes down. Standard 5 clicks. And initially you get the no atomizer. With that you get the battery power, the number of puffs, the detected resistance, your wattage, voltage, and that's quite a nice thing, the amperage, time, date, and this gauge, like a speedometer, represents the power on the screen. To navigate the menu, you've got those four icons down there. 3 clicks and one of them highlights. You can cycle through them. Now, the first one is for the power. Shut it down. Second one is for locking it, if you want to lock it or not. Third one is where the settings are. Now, the first setting is the work mode, which is basically either the manual mode, which is if you're using Canthal wires. Second one is temperature, and that's TF, that's temperature Fahrenheit, or you can go to temperature Celsius. Now, This is the overtime. Overtime is the amount of, or is the time that you take for a puff until it automatically shuts off. The LCD auto off and the auto shutdown. If you want the device to totally shut down after some time, you can do that. Vapor mode, you can see manual or auto. In manual mode, it will fire as long as you're pressing. In auto mode, you just press once, it will continue firing till you press again and it will stop. Here where you set the date of time, the puffs, the number of puffs where you can actually, as you can see, I've taken 40 puffs of that in a time of around 142 seconds, and here to reset your puffs. Then stealth mode or regular mode. Currently I'm running in regular mode. Now they have also included the help menu. So in here you see the product code, version. This is of course firmware upgradable. And then page 2, you get the input voltage, 3 to 4.2 volts, the atomizer resistance. This is all giving you what the device works at, not the current setting. So in normal mode it runs from 0.1 ohms to 3 ohms. In nickel, which is used for temperature sensing, 0.1 ohm to 1 ohm. And the output power is from 30 watts to 60 watts. You've got your output voltage is from 0 to 14 volts, temperature 200 to 600 or 90 Celsius to 315. One more, you get the work modes and it explains exactly what those modes are. Low power says that the battery voltage is lower than 3 volts when smoking. And then the overtime protection is how long was the last vape. What is the lower resistance, atomizer shorted, high temperature, and no atomizer detected. So this is basically, as I said, is an initial look at the device. Let's go ahead and attach. As you can see, I'm using the Heracles. The device is as big as almost as the Heracles itself. It's quite small, quite a bit of weight to it. It comes with a spring-loaded 510. That's the new 510s that SMY puts in. Very smooth threading, and now you can see that the atomizer is detected at 0.63, and let's increase the voltage to 0.63 volts. Like, let's say 60, and it starts firing. Now if you want to check that auto mode, if you put in an auto mode, navigating the menu is very easy once you get used to it. Now if you just click, continue to fire until you click it again. I'm starting to dig this. So this is the quick review of the SMY 60 Mini. I will be doing another follow-up video with the full review and full specs of the device. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next video.